Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free tool that you could use to view your directories in a hierarchical fashion. So the program is called Hierarchical File Manager, kind of a mouthful to say there. So there are two versions. There's an installable version and a standalone version. So if you just do the standalone version, you just download the zip file, extract it, and then you run the executable. And then if you do the installable version, you'll have it as a program. So this is not really a replacement for File Explorer because it's kind of limited, but it's just a nice tool you could use if you want to see, kind of like a view of all your folders going all the way down the line, subfolders and all. All right, so I'm just going to double click the executable here. All right, so right now it's set to the desktop. So let's go to something that has a lot of subfolders. Let's say Windows, for example. Then as you click on one, depending if there's any subfolders, you can just kind of click through like that. And then if there's individual files, it will show those as well. All right, so let's go to a real folder here that has some actual real data in it. So let's say the E drive. Let's go to the E drive itself. So we have this confidential files folder. If we drill through here, you can see all the subfolders. And then you can kind of toggle through them and see from there. And then as the list grows, you can just kind of scroll back to the starting here. So it just gives you a view going through all the subfolders. And then up here, you can have it show folder size. So when you click on a folder, it'll show you the folder size down there. Like that. You can have it show hidden items and show system items and reset the default. So there are a few options. So you could right click, copy and paste a file into here, make a new folder if you want, or a new text file. When you do this, it'll be a text file. When you right click on the folders or files, you have some of the same options you have in File Explorer. For example, if you clicked on Open, then it'll actually open up in File Explorer itself. All right, so I just wanted to just show you this real quick. So if you needed to have this type of view for your folders, if you want to just kind of see how everything branches out there, it's a nice tool. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download the app and you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.